Hi friends, GM Breweries has just released its September 2025 quarterly results. And once again, the numbers prove why this company is known for its consistency. Revenue has climbed, profits remain strong, and the balance sheet continues to be debt-free. Let's break down the performance in detail and see how this long-standing liquor maker is keeping its business flowing. For the September quarter, GM Breweries reported revenue of about 717.9 crores compared to 595.8 crores in the same quarter last year. That's a solid 20% growth year-on-year. Even compared to the previous June quarter, when revenue was around 638 crores, sales have grown by 12% quarter-on-quarter. This steady growth shows that demand in the company's core country liquor business remains strong, supported by stable pricing and healthy volumes. Now, let's talk about the profitability. And this is where the company really shines. The profit before tax this quarter stood at 46.6 crores compared to 28.9 crores last year. That is a 61% jump year on year. After paying taxes of around 11.7 crores, the company posted a net profit of 34.89 crores compared to 21.67 crores a year ago. That is an increase of over 60%. Even compared to the previous quarter's profit of 25.86 crores, earnings are up 35%, showing consistent quarter-to-quarter improvement. The earnings per share for this quarter is 15.27 versus 11.32 rupees in June and 9.48 rupees last year, a clear sign of steady value creation for shareholders. Let's break down the cost structure because that's where GM Brewery stands out. Out of 674 crores in expenses, around 537 crores went towards excise duty, VAT, and TCS. That's nearly 75% of total revenue, which is typical for the liquor industry. Raw material cost was 124 crores, and employee expenses were just 3.1 crores, reflecting the company's lean operations. Depreciation stood at 1.2 crores, and finance costs were negligible, only 0.01 crores. Despite heavy tax components, the company managed to deliver an operating profit margin of around 6.5% and a net profit margin close to 5%, which is very healthy for this category. For the first half of fiscal year 2025, revenue came in at 1,355.9 crores compared to 1,196 crores in the same period last year, a 13% increase. Net profit for the half year is 60.75 crores, which is up from 46.61 crores last year. That's about a 30% improvement. So, not only has the company maintained momentum, but it's also improved profitability throughout the first half of this year. Now, here is something that really defines GM Brewery's cash flow. In the first half, the company generated 40 crores in cash from operations, even after paying a massive 1,012 crores in indirect taxes, which are part of excise collections. Investing activities led to an outflow of 23 crores, mainly due to additions to investments and minor capex. Financing outflow was 15.9 crores, mainly dividends and interest payouts. Despite of all this, the company still added a small increase in cash during the period, ending with 10.6 crores in cash and 106 crores in bank deposits. That's the mark of a strong cash generating business. So overall, this quarter from GM Breweries was rock solid. Revenue up 20%, profit up 60%, margins holding strong, and the balance sheet remains debt-free with over 600 crores in investments. The company keeps proving that consistency and discipline can outperform hype. For investors, GM Breweries continues to be that rare story. Slow, steady, but highly reliable growth.